The simplest form of tan 90 minus theta plus tan 90 plus theta. 90 minus theta. Ask about the quadrant. This is the first quadrant. And the tan in the first quadrant is positive. Tan in the first quadrant is positive. But this 90, it changes tan to cotan. So it will be cotan theta. Okay. The next one, 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta lies in the second quadrant. And the tan in the second quadrant is negative. Tan in the second quadrant is negative. But this 90, it changes tan, okay, to cotan. So it will be negative cotan theta. Cotan theta minus cotan theta equals what? Equals 0. What else? What else, Yusuf?
Number 16.
Tell me.
If x plus y equal pi over 2.
Yes. X plus y.
X minus sin y.
X plus y equals what? Pi over 2, which is 90.
Pi over.
Okay.
Then sin x minus sin y.
Sin x minus sin y. Over
cosine x minus cosine y.
Cosine x minus cosine y. Okay. Equals what? You know, they are two angles, add up to 90. We can take two angles. We can take two angles simply equals 90 and substitute two easy angles like 30 and 60. And find sine 30 minus sine 60 over cosine 30 minus cosine 60. You will find that sine 30 is half. Half minus root 3 over 2 over cosine 30 is root 3 over 2 minus cosine 60 is half. As you see here, the numerator is the same as the denominator, but the difference between them in the sign. Half here is positive, and half here is negative half. And here negative root 3 over 2, and here root 3 over 2. So if you took negative as a factor, you are left with root 3 over 2 minus half. And at the bottom, root 3 over 2 minus half. Cancel them out, it will be negative 1. This is a way to find sine x minus sine y over cosine x minus cosine y. And also, we can substitute in the numerator instead of x, 90 minus y. You write sine 90 minus y. Okay, minus sine y, we can write it as 90 minus x. Do you with me? Over cosine x minus cosine y. Sine 90 minus y in the first quadrant here. And the sign is positive, but this 90 changes sine to cosine. So it will be cosine y minus 90 minus x here in the first quadrant, lies in the first quadrant. Okay. And sine in the first quadrant is positive. But this 90 changes sine to cosine. It will be cosine x over cosine x down minus cosine y. As you see, the numerator is the same as the denominator, but the difference between them in the sign, because we have here, if you focus on them, here we have cosine y, and here we have negative cosine y. Okay, and also we have at the top negative cosine x, and at the bottom we have cosine x. They are the same, but the difference between them and the sign So it will be -1. Did you get it?